The 4-cylinder Giulia has a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, and it will sell in far greater numbers than the Quadrifoglio. Alfa tells us that the 2.0-liter is all new and made in Italy. We find it curious that this aluminum block and head 16-valve engine has only one camshaft, utilizing the crafty MultiAir variable valve lift system, but it makes 280 horsepower and 306 pounds-to-foot of torque. It will come to the States paired only with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Automatics are the norm for this segment, but an Alfa Romeo shouldn't be normal. A stick-shift version would be consistent with the brand and, save the manuals. And all. Even after a drive in the Quadrifoglio, the 2.0-liter radiates spirit. While Alfa's engine lacks the smooth and rev-happy character of the 4-cylinder turbos from Audi or BMW, this one sounds grittier and angrier and provides good thrust. A twin-scroll turbo works to minimize lag, and Alfa claims a 0 to 60 mph time of 5.1 seconds with the standard rear-wheel drive and optional all-wheel drive alike. The latter is denoted by a Q4 badge that, in one example of possible parts sharing, looks an awful lot like the one that Maserati sticks to the back of its Ghibli.